中，各位可以俯瞰到全亞洲最優美嘅景色。向下望就係香港仔蓮港同埋珍寶海鮮舫，當然仲有海洋公園嘅主題海洋劇場同埋各種機動遊戲。During your trip, you will experience a 360-degree breathtaking panorama that will allow you to glance out at a spectacular sea view. Directly below, you will see the fishing port of Aberdeen, the Jumbo Floating Restaurant, and of course, a few of the main attractions at Ocean Park, Ocean Theater, and the vast selection of rides. 在旅途中，各位可以欣赏到全亚洲最优美的景色。向下看，就是香港仔渔港和珍宝海鲜舫。当然，还有海洋公园的主要展馆、海洋剧场以及各種機動遊戲。我哋首日之後就係全香港最著名嘅太平山啦。In addition, you will be able to see the famous and remarkable Victoria Peak, the highest on Hong Kong Island. 我們稍稍抬眼前望，就是全香港最著名的太平山了。
muutab din ako ang jo.
中海拔191米高嘅紅日摩天塔遠望向南中國海，就可以清楚咁見到南丫島、長洲同埋大嶼山呢啲沿海嘅島嶼。喺天朗氣清嘅時候，更加可以一樣咁見到距離50公里以外，屬於我哋中國領土嘅南竿山。From the top of the tower at 191 meters above the South China Sea, you can catch sight of the well-recognized outlying islands, including Lama, Chang Chao, and Lantau. On a clear sunny day,